Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a fun wintry mani using 3 colors from Sundara Nails, and we're also going to be using the gel base and the gel top coat. Now the first color here, it's a really fun color called Fancy Green, and it is a beautiful dark teal, and it has a slight shimmer to it, and it's very pretty. It's almost like a hunter green, but yet it has that teal in it. So it's definitely pulling more teal, but it's a very dark teal, and I really like that color. All right, and then the next color here, it's called Mary. It doesn't look like anything spectacular in the jar, but let me tell you, this is the most vibrant white I've ever used, and it's super pigmented and it glows in the dark. And this color is from the Heidi's Christmas collection. And then the next color here, it's called Christmas Spirit, and this is a super fun Christmassy glitter. So it is a chunky matte mint glitter, and then it has super fine chunky silver glitters, and then there's some fun shapes. There's like stars, and there's little like silver like confetti pieces in there. It's super pretty, and I really like this glitter. It's perfect for the holiday season. And then here, all 3 colors together. I really wanted to use that fancy green just for like a pop of color, but I really love Mary and Christmas Spirit as well. So we're going to do press-ons today, and we're going to be using the medium stiletto. So right now you are going to see Mary in action. Now when I am using any whites, like pure whites, I like to do that process first with my nails. So this will ensure that I'm not getting any of that shimmer from the fancy green or the glitters in my actual pigmentation of a solid white color. Now check out how pigmented Mary is right here with one coat. I was shocked. Now normally when you use whites, the first coat comes out a little patchy, a little dull, nothing to write home about. But something with Mary is simply beautiful, and the pigment here is unreal. And this is probably the best white pigment I have ever used. So I got this in the sample size, the Heidi's Christmas collection, and this is the color that's in that collection. And I definitely need to do a 1 ounce of this color, because this is going to be like my new jam. So if you like whites for doing like any kind of nail art, like decals or any nail art or anything like that, this is going to be the white for you, because not only is it super vibrant, but it glows in the dark, and I love things that glow in the dark. So enough about Mary. Right now we're just going to finish up doing 2 dips, and I could have easily got away with 1 dip, but we're going to do 2 dips of Mary, and then I'm going to go ahead and then completely top coat that so I don't get any of that shimmer or glitter on these beautiful nails that are pure white. And then after that, we'll go ahead and dive into the beautiful glitters. All right, so I will let you enjoy this mani process, and then I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, so we're just wrapping up this mani, and how pretty is this mani? I think the colors are so pretty, and that Christmas spirit is the perfect sparkly goodness that I was going for, and I think it pairs really well with the Mary color, and I really like that fancy green. Now fancy green is still available. It is an older fall color, so if fancy green is something that you've been eyeing up, definitely take advantage and get that color right away. So I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-ons, and I'll see you in the next upload.